Chapter 9 Graphics in PowerPoint 2010. Adding slide. Whenever you start making a presentation, you need to add more slides to it. Slides have different layouts for placeholders, depending on the type of information you want to include. Whenever you create a new slide, you will need to choose a slide layout that fits your content. Whenever you start a new presentation, it will contain one slide with the title slide layout. To add a new slide, follow the given steps. Step 1. From the Home tab, click the bottom half of the New Slide command. Step 2. Choose the desired slide layout from the menu that appears. Step 3. The new slide will appear. Click any placeholder and begin typing to add text. You can also click an icon to add other types of content, such as a picture or a chart. Content slides. If you choose a slide with content, you will have 6 types of content to choose from: tables, charts, smart art graphics, pictures, clip art, videos. Click on the type of content you want to create and PowerPoint will provide the tools needed to create it. Step 4. To quickly add a slide that uses the same layout as the selected slide, click the top half of the New Slide command. Organizing slides. Duplicate slides. If you want to copy and paste a slide quickly, you can duplicate it. To duplicate slides, select the slide you want to duplicate, right-click the mouse and choose Duplicate Slide from the menu that appears. You can also duplicate multiple slides at once by selecting them first. Move slides. It is easy to change the order of your slides. Just click and drag the desired slide in the slide navigation pane to the desired position. Delete slides. If you want to remove a slide from your presentation, you can delete it. Simply select the slide you want to delete. Then press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Inserting a text box. To insert text box, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the Insert tab and click on the Text Box button in the text group. Alternatively, you can select the text box option from the Shapes drop-down gallery. When you follow any of the above 2 options, the cursor changes into a vertical line. Step 2. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards right and release the mouse button. You will get a rectangular box on the slide with the cursor inside it. Enter the text. Inserting objects. The look of a presentation can be enhanced by adding different objects in it. You can insert a picture from a file on your computer onto any slide. PowerPoint even includes tools for finding online pictures and adding screenshots to your presentation. Inserting pictures. Step 1. Select the Insert tab, then click the Pictures command in the Images group. Step 2. Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Locate and select the desired image file, then click Insert. The picture will appear on the currently selected slide. You can also click the Pictures command in a placeholder to insert images. Inserting screenshots. Screenshots are basically snapshots of your computer screen. You can take a screenshot of almost any program, website, or open window. To insert screenshots of a window, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the Insert tab, then click the Screenshot command in the Images group. Step 2. The available windows from your desktop will appear. Select the window you want to capture as a screenshot. Step 3. The screenshot will appear on the currently selected slide. To insert a screen clipping, Step 1. Select the Insert tab, click the Screenshot command, then select Screen Clipping. Step 2. A view of other open windows will appear. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture as a screen clipping. Step 3. The screen clipping will appear on the currently selected slide. Inserting shapes. To insert shapes, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the Insert tab. Then click the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu of shapes will appear. Step 2. Select the desired shape. Step 3. The cursor will change to plus. Click and drag in the desired location to add the shape to the slide. Adding text in a shape. Step 1. Right-click on the shape and select Edit Text from the shortcut menu. Step 2. The insertion point appears inside the shape. Now you can type the text. Inserting word art. The word art feature helps edit and format text in PowerPoint. It helps to create special text effects. To insert word art, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Insert tab. Step 2. Click Word Art button in the text group. A drop-down menu will open. Step 3. Choose one of the images from the drop-down menu. Each contains a letter A drawn in a word art style. Step 4. Click the option you have chosen. A new text box will appear in the slide containing the message "Your text here" in the slide that you choose. Step 5. Replace the sample text with the text that you want. Then drag the text box to place the text where you need it. Step 6. Select the text and click on Text Fill drop-down arrow in the Word Art Styles group on the Format tab. Select the desired color and observe the change. Step 7. Similarly, outline color and text effect can be changed by using Text Outline and Text Effects option. While navigating through the slides in a presentation, you can use the following navigation keys. For first slide, Ctrl plus Home. For last slide, Ctrl plus End. To move to a particular slide, number of the slide plus Enter.